All right, guys, welcome back to Stonehouse Acres. Today we are going to refurbish and get this 44-inch John Deere snowblower ready for the winter. This goes on an X320 lawn tractor series. We have some surface rust we're going to take care of with some primer and paint. We're going to replace the cutting edge. We're also going to replace the skid shoes. I got all the parts at greenparts.com, but if you haven't already, click like and subscribe. Let's get to it. Quick walk around. Like I said, we're going to replace this cutting edge, all rusted out. Got a new one on order. Take care of all the surface rust that you're seeing all over inside the chute, everything like that. And then we're going to replace the skid shoes as well. So follow along, and this thing will look totally different, ready to go for winter after this refurbishing. I had to grind off the bolts and nuts that held on the original cutting edge. Gonna replace the cutting edge. This thing is shot. All right, before we prime it, we're gonna hit it with some mineral spirits, get all the dust and excess off from hitting it with a wire brush, and then we're good to prime. All right, I'm using the John Deere Buff Primer Sealer. I'm gonna prime all the spots that I'm gonna recoat, and then I'll utilize yellow touch-up paint. All right, guys, I'm gonna put the new cutting edge on. See how this goes. I'm just gonna get it in there first, then we'll take an impact to them. Do the two sides. Fits nicely. All right, got everything repainted. I got these skids from the Green Parts Store. Shout out to them. Got some new hardware as well. So we're gonna put these skids on and wrap up this project. Looks good. I went with plastic skids instead of the rusted metal ones. Hopefully they don't tear up my driveway as much. I don't think they're gonna last a season, but we'll see. This is the skid, or the skids that I'm replacing. The other one was even worse. As you can see, rusted out, worn down, very thin in the middle from all the use. About 12 years old, so honestly, this lasted a good time. I'm putting on this skid. It's plastic. My hopes are pretty low. I doubt it'll last a season. I'm running on concrete, but we'll see. If any of you guys have used or implemented these plastic skids, let me know how long you got out of them. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Project is complete of this 44-inch John Deere snowblower. This goes on our X320 lawn tractor. I put on some new skids, brand new cutting edge. Each are from greenpartsstore.com. Obviously, I took off all the surface rust, put on a new primer, and gave it a new coat of yellow John Deere paint. So there she is. I'm pretty happy with it. My first time really working with metal and painting metal. So hope you enjoyed it. Have a good winter.